In this question, we have to determine the product of K1 and K2 where the current through the 200 ohms resistor is K1 sin K2t milliamps. Okay, first let us consider these two branches. Okay, they are identical. I will call them Z1. So first let us find the impedance of Z1. It is J into omega L minus 1 by omega C. So it is equal to J into 100 minus 1 by 100 into 10 power minus 6 into 100. Okay, so that will be 0. Hence these two branches can be considered as short circuit. Now when this becomes short circuit, then this no current will pass through this 100 ohms resistor, so this can be dropped, okay, by considering this as short. The same thing will happen to this particular resistor since there is a short circuit across it. Now after all this consideration, our circuit is going to be like this. Okay, we have a resistor over here of 300 ohms, and then another resistor again of 300 ohms, and then we have a short circuit, and then here we have the 200 ohms resistors across which we need to find the current, and then we have another resistor here of 500 ohms. Okay, now this is how our circuit is going to be. Okay, and the source is 10 sin 100t. Okay, now we have to find the current through this resistor. Okay, we will be applying mesh analysis to this. Okay, this is I1, this is I2, and then this is I3. Okay, now writing the mesh equations, V1 is equal to 300 I1 plus 300 into I1 minus I2, right? 0 equal to I2 minus I1 into 300 plus I2 minus I3 into 200. 0 is equal to I3 minus I2 into 200 plus I3 into 500. Okay, now this I will write in matrix form: I1, I2, I3 is equal to, okay, now solving for I1, I2 and I3, we will get I1 is equal to 0.0252, I2 equal to 0.0171, okay, and then I3 is equal to 0.0049. Okay, since the value of current across this 200 ohms resistor is I2 minus I3, okay, so I2 minus I3 is equal to, okay, from here it will be 12.2 milliamps. Since it is a sinusoidal source, we will have the same frequency current here because we have only resistors. So from the expression we know that K1 is equal to 12.2 and K2 is equal to 100. So which means K1 K2 is equal to 1220.